Paris has long been considered one of the most romantic and culturally rich cities in the world, and the hotels that call this city home are nothing short of extraordinary. From grand historic palaces to sleek modern retreats, the French capital offers accommodations that go far beyond simply providing a place to sleep. These hotels are experiences in themselves, each telling a unique story about the city's elegance, history, and unmatched sense of style. Whether you are planning a honeymoon, a luxury getaway, or simply want to treat yourself to the finest hospitality Europe has to offer, Paris delivers on every level. The 5 hotels we are about to explore represent the very best this iconic city has to offer, combining world-class service, breathtaking design, and unforgettable locations that place you right in the heart of everything Paris is known for. Nestled along the Rue de Rivoli, Le Meurice is widely regarded as one of the most prestigious hotels in all of Europe. This legendary establishment has been welcoming royalty, artists, and dignitaries since 1835, and its interiors reflect that storied heritage with breathtaking Louis XVI-inspired decor, gilded ceilings, and marble floors that seem to whisper centuries of history. The hotel's restaurant, helmed by celebrated chef Alain Ducasse, holds 2 Michelin stars and offers a dining experience that rivals anything in the world. Guests staying at Le Meurice also enjoy stunning views of the Tuileries Garden, making it one of the most visually rewarding locations in the entire city. Every detail here has been carefully considered, from the handcrafted furniture to the personalized butler service that ensures your every need is met with grace and precision. Situated on the prestigious Avenue Montaigne, Hôtel Plaza Athénée is synonymous with high fashion and timeless Parisian glamour. Its iconic red awnings and flower-draped facade have made it one of the most photographed hotels in the world, and stepping inside only deepens that sense of awe. The hotel sits just steps away from the most celebrated fashion houses in Paris, making it the preferred choice of designers, celebrities, and style icons visiting the city. The Alain Ducasse au Place Athénée restaurant within the hotel is a 3 Michelin-starred masterpiece that redefines fine dining with its nature-inspired philosophy. The rooms and suites are decorated with exquisite attention to detail, blending classic French elegance with contemporary comfort in a way that feels both luxurious and deeply personal. Just a short walk from the Champs-Élysées, the Four Seasons Hotel George V stands as a monument to timeless grandeur and impeccable hospitality. Originally opened in 1928, this Art Deco masterpiece has been meticulously restored to preserve its original splendor while incorporating every modern luxury a discerning traveler could desire. The hotel is home to 3 Michelin-starred restaurants, making it a culinary destination in its own right. Its legendary flower arrangements, created fresh each week, have become a signature attraction that draws visitors from around the world. The spa facilities here are among the finest in Paris, offering a sanctuary of relaxation that perfectly complements the energy of the surrounding city. No list of Paris's finest hotels would be complete without mentioning the Ritz Paris and the Hôtel de Crillon, 2 establishments that have defined luxury hospitality for well over a century. The Ritz Paris, located on the Place Vendôme, is perhaps the most famous hotel in the world. Its name has become a universal synonym for luxury, and staying here means immersing yourself in a legacy that has hosted figures like Coco Chanel, Ernest Hemingway, and Princess Diana. The Bar Hemingway within the hotel is a beloved institution, serving expertly crafted cocktails in an atmosphere dripping with literary history. The Hôtel de Crillon, overlooking the Place de la Concorde, offers a similarly awe-inspiring experience rooted in 18th century architecture and royal heritage. Both hotels have undergone extensive renovations in recent years, ensuring that their historic bones are matched by thoroughly modern comforts. Together, these 5 hotels represent the absolute pinnacle of what Paris has to offer, each one a destination worthy of a lifetime of memories.